Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Redefining industrial chic, Flatiron Apartment stands as a blend of contemporary living with the timeless charm of traditional New York lofts. Cojot Designs maintains the artistic and eclectic feel of the classic, industrial loft style while injecting warmth and refinement. This approach highlights the transformative power of materials and objects, creating a space that feels like home. Located in Manhattan's Flatiron district, the apartment belongs to Leah Cojot, founder of Cojot Designs. Situated within a 185 square meter loft in a historic weaving factory dating back to the early 1900s, the designer modernizes the building while honoring its heritage features. "My main goal in the design was to be authentic to the loft space," says Cojot. "Industrial is not my natural style, so I was thinking about how I could be industrial in this old weaving factory while still adding warmth and comfort." Some original features have been preserved to enhance the overall design. Terracotta pillars and visible plumbing are retained, alongside all original loft windows lining a single wall. Considered spatial adjustments were also made to enhance functionality. "A main focus of mine was creating distinct spaces through the ceiling plan and lighting plan," says Cojot. Despite adopting an open-plan layout integrating living, kitchen, dining and office areas, the design cleverly incorporated lighting to delineate each zone.